Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy chignon. To start, put a loose curl through the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just going to leave a few pieces of hair out at the front to frame the face. Next, divide the hair from the end of the eyebrows, smooth it out with a comb and then secure it at the back of the head with a clear elastic band. Then apply some spray wax across the top of the head. I'll list the one I'm using in the description below, and gently pinch and pull at the hair for a little bit more messy volume. Now I'm going to take a section of hair from the middle of the ear and we're going to take that section diagonally upwards towards that elastic band. So you should have a small triangle section, and we're going to do the same on the other side. So go from the middle of the ear upwards to touch the elastic band. Bring these together over that first ponytail and secure with another little elastic band. Then pop your fingers behind the elastic band and then pass the ponytail to the fingers and pull it through that hole, and you've created a small twist. Apply some more spray wax to the twists and then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull for more volume. We're going to do a rope braid, so on the remaining hair divide it in half and we're going to twist both sections to the left and then cross the left strand over the right strand, and just keep repeating this until you get to the bottom of the hair and then secure it off with another clear elastic band. Now take that rope braid and we're just going to wrap it around the base of itself, making sure that we tuck those ends underneath so you can't see them. And then just use a few bobby pins all around the outside of that little chignon to keep it secure to the head. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.